In the serene neighborhoods of the Abell area, homeowners are occasionally confronted with one of the most daunting plumbing challenges: sewer system backups. These unpleasant incidents, often resulting from clogs, tree root intrusion, or damaged sewer lines, not only cause distress but also pose significant health hazards and can be expensive to repair. The aftermath of a sewer backup is more than just an inconvenience. It's a threat to your home's hygiene and safety. Fortunately, there's a straightforward solution for residents of Abell. By calling 888-501-1193, you can connect with qualified plumbing professionals equipped to tackle even the most severe sewer system issues. Don't let sewer backups disrupt your life and health. Take action now and ensure your home remains a safe and pleasant place for you and your loved ones.